Hi, I'm Davide Ruspazzari, VSG World Service Product Manager. Today I will show you our new center post rotary tire changer. So let's see the Kendo Evo. So let's start with the deflated tire. With the help of the wheel lift, we can position the wheel on the center post. Now we can lock it with a quick nut. And just with a single movement, we can position all the two roller and the tools together to work in the right position close to the rim. So that's it. So we can start with the braking operation on the top side. Now we can loop the tire and the bead. When you finish, you don't need to go and check on the bottom side, because as we said, the two rollers are in the same position, so you can just go and start the braking operation. Okay, so let's lubricate on the bottom side also. And now we are ready to go down with the tool to pick the bead. Okay, so let's go up and take it off. And with the help of the bottom roller, we can demount the first bead. Okay, that's done. So go out with the tool, and just with the help of the bottom roller, let's demount completely the tire. Okay, so once the operation is done, we can go and mount it again. Place the tire on the rim, go down with the tool, when you are on the rim, in the right position, you can start rotation for mounting the first bead. Okay, so place the bead on the tool, go down with the upper roller, position the traction tool, and you're ready now for assembling the tire. So we can go out and we can remove the traction tool. Okay, so we are ready for inflating. So the job is done. Very easy mounting and demounting of a tire on a new rotary Kendo Evo.